Hi everyone, welcome to my video. In this video, we're going to go over all the things that I fell in love with in the month of February. I am in my kitchen because the first item in my video is going to be a food item, and it is these Trader Joe's pb&j bars. And I am already a peanut butter and jelly fan, but this is like next level because I can basically carry around semi-healthy peanut butter and jelly with me at all times. So it's a really good treat. It has protein obviously from the peanut butter. It's not too sweet from the jelly. It's not too dry, but it is dry enough that it makes me drink more water, which is kind of a plus. So yeah, pb&j bar from Trader Joe's. Absolutely love these. Such a good price. You get 6 per box, and I mean anything Trader Joe's, but yeah, definitely this bar. The second item is the fresh lotus preserve. So this is a night cream, and I've just added it into my routine this month, and I absolutely love it. I went to Sephora and they demoed it on my hand, and it just gave my hand kind of like a really pretty appearance for the rest of the day. So I started adding this in. It is kind of like makes your skin more glowy. I wouldn't necessarily say that it's intense moisture or anything, but it just does something to your skin that gives it kind of like a supple dewiness that is just like so youthful and beautiful. So I really love this. It smells so good. It has peach extract in it, so it smells like peaches. So I love to have something on my face that actually smells good. I've definitely had many products that smell absolutely terrible. So this is just one of those that is just like, they did a great job in every department. And Fresh uses really good ingredients, which I love. It's something I really love about the company. So definitely check this out. It is a little bit on the pricier side, but totally worth it. At the same time that I added Fresh, I also added using a jade roller. So they probably are working a little bit together, but this jade roller is from Skin Gym. And I really like how Skin Gym has all of the instructions in the back. Like it says which direction to go, like from the middle of your forehead this way, and then using this side to do under your eyes that way. So it's kind of like a really good guide for a beginner who has never used a jade roller and might be skeptical if the jade roller works or not. I definitely think that it's doing something for my skin. Like I said, I don't know how I can prove that, but it definitely feels really good because the jade is cold. And when I'm using it, when I'm putting products on, I also use it after I put a product on, and I do think that it's helping get that product massaged into my skin. And I'm not using my fingers, which have oils on them. Even if you wash your hands, you still kind of have like that oil on your fingers. It's just natural oil. So it's kind of nice that I'm just applying this with a little spatula and then using the roller on my face. Okay, for the fourth item, you have to have a little backstory. I have had a cough since New Year's, and it's just like comes and goes every few days, and I just had this like really awful cough. It's so frustrating. So this is actually a natural cough drop. It's chemical free. It says Dr. Zach Zarbach, a physician and father, couldn't find effective chemical-free products to help the whole family, so he created his own product. And these are so good. Their ingredients are good. They use dried honey, like a dried honey process, and my cough is gone. So I am 100% a believer in these cough drops. If you are having any kind of cough situation, going on. These are the ones to get. I actually have tried them before, probably like a year ago or so. But I was pretty sick when I tried them the last time, and I didn't know they were going to be this effective, but it's probably the best cough drop that I've used for any sort of cough or cold or anything like that, sore throat. The next item that I fell in love with is a facial cleanser. I usually use face wipes to take off my makeup, and I use the Fuchs makeup removing wipes or the Kirkland Costco makeup removing wipes, and then I just use my regular skincare routine after that. But I decided to try out this micellar, that's how you say it, Pure Brew micellar cleansing water. You all know I'm terrible at saying things, so I googled it, and this stuff is so good at taking off your makeup. It's very light, and you know, I just really love the way it leaves my skin feeling afterwards, and I felt like it got everything off so easily. I'm definitely going to start using this product more. I have probably only used this for a week in February, but I'm already in love with it. I already think this is something I'll end up using daily, and it's very gentle. So I think it works for all skin types, and even can work for eyelash extensions. So if you have eyelash extensions, which I did have and I probably will have again, this is a really good eye makeup remover. So that's it for my February favorites. I hope you liked them. Let me know which one was your favorite. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!